BJP has won West Bengal elections with the help of Election Commission. Not just this allegation, but also claims such as bias in scheduling election, selective action against opposition leaders, ignoring of violation of model code of conduct at the time of election by ruling party members, vote chori and tampering of EVMs. Though these allegations are not backed by strong evidence, but are definitely strengthened by the fact that the members of Election Commission are appointed by the government which is in power. If you refer to the Constitution under Article 324 Clause 2, it is clearly stated that President may appoint Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners subject to the provision of any law made in that behalf by Parliament, which clearly states that Constituent Assembly didn't introduce any mechanism into the Constitution for the appointment of Election Commission. Rather, it left it to the future Parliament to decide upon this subject. But from then till 2023, there was no proper legislation for the appointment of members of Election Commission. Rather, it was Prime Minister along with his Council of Ministers who appointed members of Election Commission. In the year 2023, Supreme Court in the case of Anoop Baranwal versus Union of India observed that Election Commission should be independent and neutral body. But the current system has given excessive control to the executive in the appointment of Election Commission members. So, it passed an interim judgment stating that till Parliament make any law on this subject, it will be the Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition and Chief Justice of India who will be appointing members of Election Commission. And soon after the judgment, the Parliament passed the legislation with respect to this subject, where it replaced Chief Justice of India with a Cabinet Minister. Again, it was a clear dominance of executives in the appointment of Election Commission. And it was nothing different from previous appointment, because obviously 2:1 majority of ruling party's decision would always prevail. And from then, the allegations on NDA as well as Election Commission has become frequent. And finally, what astonishes me is that the India's constitution aimed to build strong democratic country. It ensured democracy, but the irony is it failed to secure machinery that protects the democracy. Mark my words, until and unless the appointment or a body becomes independent, the questions keep rising and democracy will no longer be a system, it will just be a debate. Let me know your views in the comment box. Thank you.